All right, so first things first, your girl is already geared up, okay? I have my gloves on, my curly cape. If you're new here, I will link this below for y'all. I always wear this, like 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna have my curly cape on. And then I have my microfiber towel that I will also link as well for y'all. But this hairstyle, I wanted to do a dedicated video primarily because I feel like so many people have been like, girl, your hair is growing so quickly. And it's just like, I also notice it, and I've been natural all my life. So I'm just trying to figure out, like, what is it that's causing my hair to grow and my length to actually retain? And this is the magic. So stay tuned.
Get your life, plan it out. You can go as far as you can dream. Edges laid, curls popping. She's a doctor of farmers.
I just took her down from washing her. I am using I'm looking in my mirror as well if y'all see me looking everywhere else, but I am using the Carol's Daughter Born to Repair line. It says it is a collection that moisturizes hair, soothes the scalp, reduces frizz, and protects color vibrancy, leaving you with healthier, shiny curls and coils. So huge thank you to Carol's Daughter. They did gift me these products. Of course, my opinions are my own. This is the defining cream. It has shea butter and babasu oil, no silicones, and it says after you shampoo, use the moisture treatment and the nourishing conditioner and the reviving oil, and then you apply this product last to damp or dry hair and work in evenly. This reviving oil, I'm kind of a oil last girl, like LCO, so I'm gonna actually use it reverse. Even though it says to put the oil on first, I'm gonna use the cream first and then the oil just to lock in that moisture. I feel like oil is perfect for sealing in moisture. All right, so first we're gonna go in. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. The packaging on this one, the defining cream, I definitely thought I was missing like the bottom half because it kind of just stops. But after researching online, I was like, oh no, this is how the bottle is. So I personally thought that was kind of weird, but it's nothing wrong with the product, just in case you're wondering. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my hair. This one smells, you can smell the shea butter on the defining cream. It's definitely very hydrating. The shampoo provided a great amount of lather. Let me not say good. Great amount of lather, which I did appreciate. The scent on it was very clean. Like, it's not gonna give you too much, which y'all know I have a thing for products that smell really, really good. So it wasn't anything like over the top for me. However, it definitely cleansed my scalp. It wasn't too harsh on my hair, and I could tell it was moisturizing. So that was a win in my books, except the scent was the only thing I would take a point off for because I like scents. But that's a personal, I feel like that's like a point off when your teacher just didn't like your handwriting. That's a point off. So it was an A in my books. And then the conditioner, or I'm sorry, the moisture treatment, girl. So 60 seconds, what I did is, at that time when I used the product, my hair was already detangled. So I went in with the 60-second moisture treatment and left it in for a minute while I basically put my hair in a shower cap. And if you know anything about me, I love when my hair is nice and soft, and the conditioner can actually like go in, moisturize, hydrate. Like, it was giving me all the feels, y'all, all the feels. So I appreciated the conditioner, loved it. We give it a 10 out of 10. The scent, again, clean. Not too much on the scent, so take that for what it is. But I don't think I've ever used a moisture treatment that's only 60 seconds that wowed me like that one did. So overall, the shampoo, conditioner, and the moisture treatment, I will be reusing them. I'm definitely going to keep them in the forefront of my stash just because I feel like they did not disappoint. definitely giving, but this is gonna have to go to tomorrow, child. So I will probably hop back on here once I finish my whole head, or I'll come back like when I'm close to finishing on this side and show y'all the final results. So let's go to sleep, child. Actually, I'm back real quick. So wanted to give y'all a time check. It's 3:30 a.m. and I started around 1:20 a.m. So 2 hours. But before I go to sleep, this part over here is the section that I'm working on tomorrow, but I want to make sure it's not matted up in the morning and it doesn't like give me wash and go with no product. So I'm gonna just wet it really good and put it in 3 or 4 larger plaits and go ahead and put my defining cream products on there. That way my hair is moisturized, even though I haven't got to this section yet. Y'all see how this looks way better, and I know y'all can't feel it, but it feels so much better and so much more moisturized. Wow. All right, fro. I'm gonna check in with y'all later on tomorrow. Hey y'all, so we're back. It's the next day. I wanted to show y'all what the product alone did to my hair. It feels so soft. It's nice and moisturized. I honestly am gonna use this product again later on for like a braid out, because I see the potential. Of course it's still wet, but I just wanted to show y'all there's power in protecting your hair. Like I could have just went to sleep with it all not matted, but in like the wash and go state with the curls forming and a little damp. But I was like, nope, let me protect my hair. Because remember, even when you're styling your hair, even if it's not a protective style, if you have to go into the next day, you want to make sure it's protected. So yeah, just wanted to show y'all that. She's definitely giving though. So far, I'm very pleased with these products. But all right, y'all, we are finished. This is the finished results. I'm gonna scoop back so y'all can see. I am in love. I love it. So today on the left side, it took me 3 hours. I started at 2:51 and it's literally 5:51. So exactly 3 hours on this side. Maybe this side took 2.5 hours. Maybe I got my starting time wrong, but so overall about 5 hours-ish to do this style. This is without adding any hair. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know below if y'all have any questions. I would highly recommend these products. My hair feels soft. I feel like it's moisturized as well, and my ends are so fluffy and soft too. So I will keep y'all posted on if I lose any moisture or if the moisture stays locked in for the duration of the style. Other than that, it's the finished style. So if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe and join the fam. We have a good time over here. And other than that, I'll see y'all on my next one. Bye.